Understanding the phrase, clean the table, in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, clean the table. This is a common expression used in everyday English, and understanding it can really help you in various situations. So, let's dive in and find out what it means and how you can use it. Clean the table is a phrase that means to remove any items from the table and make it neat and tidy. This can involve different actions depending on the context. For example, after a meal, it might mean taking the dishes to the kitchen, wiping the table, or even rearranging items. It's a versatile phrase used in both home and public settings like restaurants. 1. At home. When someone says, "Can you clean the table?" at home, they usually mean clearing the table after a meal. This includes taking away plates, cutlery, and glasses, and maybe wiping the surface. 2. In restaurants. In a restaurant, when staff say they need to clean the tables, they refer to clearing dishes left by customers, wiping down the table, and preparing it for new customers. 3. In other settings. In offices or at meetings, cleaning the table might mean removing papers, cups, or other materials after a meeting or work session. Don't confuse with clear the table. While clear the table is similar, it specifically refers to removing items from the table, not necessarily cleaning it. Context matters. Always consider the setting. What you need to do to clean a table at home is different from what you might do in a restaurant. And that's all about the phrase, clean the table. Remember, it's a simple but essential part of daily English communication, especially in dining and work settings. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding and using this phrase correctly. Keep practicing, and see you in our next video.